we release new agent APIs, and I'm going to share an example of how you can build your own workflows on top of our APIs with a tool like N8N. So this is my workflow, but first we'll go into this dashboard. I have a chart with average review scores here per product category, and I want to kick off my workflow when one of these categories drops below an average review score of 2.5. To do that, I'll set an alert for less than 2.5 average review score, and instead of sending that alert to my email or SMS, I'll send it to a webhook. So when Luzmo sends that event to N8N, it kicks off this workflow and it shares the data from that chart. I can extract that data from the webhook, and in this case, I see the electronics category dropped below that value of 2.5 and now is a value of 1.9. I'll continue my workflow and hook up the API of Luzmo IQ. I can use Luzmo IQ to do further analysis and ask it a human written question to do some analysis based on that question and the available datasets. In this case, I'll ask it here to inspect the specific category, electronics in this case, and inspect the reviews and make suggestions for improvements. I also ask it to format the answer nicely in text and some HTML so it fits nicely inside an email. I'll get that response, and eventually I send that complete response from Luzmo IQ and the webhook to my email. So let's try that. I just received the email here, and as you see, there's the nicely formatted response based on the alert and based on the Luzmo IQ analysis, telling me there's some things I can do in product quality, there's something to do with shipping and product information. So this is a great example of how you can use Luzmo's APIs and especially our agent APIs to build workflows, combine them with other steps, maybe combining them with APIs of your own, and add more value on top of what you're already offering to your own users.